Alina Z, raw food chef and health coach, and today I'm sharing with you my Z tips for heart-healthy Thanksgiving recipes. I will share two. One is my favorite kale salad, and we have kale dressed in extra virgin olive oil. We have hemp seeds, a little bit of garlic, and most importantly, we have sun-dried tomatoes. Sun-dried tomatoes are very high in lycopene, very good for the heart. And then I'm going to show you how to make a delicious apple dessert for Thanksgiving. I have about 1.5 apples that I'm going to put into a food processor. And I will process them with 1 teaspoon of flax seeds, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I have about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla powder. We will process all of this in the food processor until it comes to applesauce consistency. When it gets well chopped up, I'm going to add a couple of dates. I have about 2 large dates or 5 small ones. After everything is well blended, I will add the rest of the apples. I have another 1.5 of apples, and apples are terrific for heart health. Once everything is nicely chopped up, we can scoop this up and put it into a serving cup. And you can use this as an apple pie filling. You can decorate it with nuts if you'd like. They're also good for heart health. And I like to decorate also with some raisins. They're high in potassium. And you can try this delicious dessert right away, or you can put it in a fridge and let it marinate a little. Try it for yourself. Enjoy your Thanksgiving, and cheers to your health.